I created from this image to this AI generated video ad. How I did it, I'm going to tell in this video. Okay, so all you just need is English, and you just need a Gemini Pro subscription. And Gemini subscription is actually a free these days. You can just claim it by just googling it, Gemini student offer, right? So how I did it, I'm going to tell in this video. Okay, all you just need is just raw photo, which I added this. I captured through my phone, and I uploaded through my phone also. And this is the raw footage which I took, and after that I prompted it like make all three stores right view. They are slightly tilted, so it gave me this straight view of the stores. So now I have to make a flex, right? So now I went to the Canva and I created this flex using multiple elements. Like you can just have this elements here where you can add photos, this that, and you can create such a elements like. And these are the images which I downloaded from Google, and I also removed a background here. I removed a background here of each image one by one, and I added this color, which color, like the color is this DCB15, which is the hex code. So I added these are the background removers, right? So after this, okay, so after creating the final version of this flex, I uploaded this image to an Gemini again. Okay, so I will show you. So this is the image which I uploaded to Gemini earlier. This was a wrong flex actually. Then I created the original one by doing it. It was not doing right. Okay, so I created the full version of the flex. It will not take. It will just take 1-2 minutes, right? So these are the removal of the all titles which we had, right? So this this is the first time image which I uploaded, and I told the Gemini to do this, add a steel counter. So it haven't added. It added a totally different counter in the both sides, but I wanted in that particular image. So I actually added the counter image by cropping it in a Canva, right? I added this, and then Gemini added that counter image here, which was great. It looks like real. We have this actual counter there, right? And we have actual these all essentials there, and with the same chairs, right? So now this is the final version he showed, right? So this is like I gave the prompt that like put something, add branding to that steel counter, and it added that, right? And after that I just made it like, now make look beautiful, add everything you think which is needed, right? You can also give prompt according to you, which is fine, but I gave this prompt according to me, and it generated a beautiful picture, within just minutes, right? And this is a very good looking. This give me so much idea, so I can just do it in real time, right? So this is one of my favorite images right now. So I downloaded this image, right? So now this is the second image. I told it to generate another image with a good vibe, right? Okay, so this was the prompt, and yeah, this was the final version. So after that, what I did is I just went to the ChatGPT, because if I try to generate video here, it will not generate. It have capacity of only 3, right? So I have to be very carefully. So then I went to the ChatGPT and I asked the ChatGPT to do some work. So I gave it exactly. I said it like, bro, I have this image, I will ask Gemini to make image alive. So I also give the voiceover which I have to give. So then GPT gave me the exact prompt which I exactly needed to make that image alive, right? So I just copied and pasted prompt here, right? So this is the same prompt which I used it. Okay, we just used it, and it generated a really
Welcome
good
to
video.
Hotel Maharaj, the perfect place to serve delicious meals for your hungry employees with fast service, fair prices, and unbeatable quality.
So Gemini can only generate 8 seconds of video, which is like quite what you can say, quite a limitation, right? So that's why I have to continue this video. So I went to the ChatGPT again, and I asked to me give the continuous script, right? So it gave me, bro, I can give Marathi voiceover. It also, and I also generated a Marathi video. I can also give you that example. So this
हॉटेल
is.
महाराज मध्ये आपलं स्वागत आहे. आपल्या कर्मचाऱ्यांसाठी स्वादिष्ट जेवण, झटपट सेवा, परवडणाऱ्या किमती आणि उत्तम
So this is a Marathi AI generated video, right? So after that, I told it like can you reprompt including this Marathi voiceover? I can able to. No, this is not. But yeah, man, bro, I want prompt around this image now. So I had a different image after that, and yeah, I said to ChatGPT that, bro, I can have 2-3 videos with the length of 8 seconds, right? right? So give me the next prompt. Okay, so it gave me a prompt, but that prompt didn't work. After that, like I told exactly, just don't to repeat that name, Hotel Maharaj, right? Then after it gave me a prompt, it gave me exactly the prompt which I needed. Then I just copied this prompt, which is a clip 2, and I copied and pasted in a Gemini, right? And it generated the video.
इथे मिळतं घरगुती चवीचं ताजं जेवण आणि
But the element which are coming from this side, and this is the, what you can say, a woman who is coming, is
आरामदायी
totally
बसायची
different. But if I have two clips, I wanted to continue with that the two men, which is the video is explaining the services more and more, instead of showing these
सोय.
women's there, right? So this video is ruined now, right? So it finds, but bro, like the video is generated, the quality is totally different. I will able to try it tomorrow. I will generate, maybe like it will generate four clips tomorrow, no, three clips tomorrow, which means like 24 seconds of video with 24 seconds of ad. That is totally cool, right? So this is how I created this video using the Gemini Pro and the Chat GPT, right? So yeah, you can do it too. And yeah, man, thank you for watching.